Hello, Mazer, and welcome back to the Pride.
This is Cassius Crass.
And this is Spencer Dunn.
And today we have a new
microphone.
Because the old ones suck.
The robotics team is currently competing in their regional competition at the Maverick Center. They will be there today, March 14th until 5, and start again tomorrow at 9 a.m. Come cheer them on as they try to qualify for the tournament.
The end of the term is next week. Fix your NGs.
There is an all-school assembly on Monday, March 17th. An assembly schedule will be emailed in both Mazer updates and in the Pride email Gerber sent out this morning. Here's the plan. After fourth period on Monday, everyone will head to the gym for the assembly. There will be a group activity in the gym. Meanwhile, Gerber and the Printcom team will be outside, ushering groups to take some photos for the yearbook.
The following groups will be photographed: math teams, mock trial, competitive team, NHS, Stuco, show choir, all the MSI groups, baking windrum, Japanese windrum, Korean windrum, robotics windrum, ultimate frisbee, cross country, and middle school boys basketball.
The faster you guys go, the more lunchtime you get, so lock in, because I would like to eat my food.
Congratulations to Joseph Hilton, who was selected as a Sterling Scholar finalist in the World Languages category. The Sterling Scholar final award ceremony will be held on Thursday, April 17th.
Me mateys! The Buccaneer Bash is tomorrow on Saturday, March 15th. Tickets are $10 a couple and $7 stag. Be there or you'll walk the plank.
Mazer's Got Talent is coming up. The talent showcase will be on our mandatory advisory Friday on March 28th from 10 to 11:30. Tryouts will be on Thursday, March 20th and Friday, March 21st. On Thursday, tryouts will go from 3:45 to 4:45. On Friday, it will go from 12 to 1.
Seniors, Gerber is hosting a graduation quilt group during spring break. Anyone wanting to join should reach out to Gerber to be added to the Google Classroom. Spring break is coming up in 2 weeks, so it's time to get your materials.
Get ready for some fun because it's time for Dancing with the Teachers. Sign-ups kick off today. Mark your calendars for May 2nd, right after advisory. Gather your friends and prepare a dance routine. Everyone is invited to join. Just remember, you need at least one teacher in your group. And once you have your groups and song choice ready, head over to Miss Hong in room 228 to sign up. She'll add your group to the list and confirm your song choice.
Today's word of the week is leprechaun. May all your charms be lucky.
The history of dating is funny, and you could use a laugh. Most shows are sold out, but there are still tickets available for today at 1 p.m. Hey, Cassius, you know what time it is?
Is it time to go visit Keller in the hallway about some upcoming activity?
Heck yeah, it is.
I'm in heaven. Hi, my name is Jacob Keller, and I'm bringing you big news from the school. We are going to be putting on a dance, the Spring Fling Big Band Swing. This is going to be including a live 20-piece big band. It's on April 12th from 7 to 10, and we're going to be including swing dance instruction so that then if you don't know how the frick to dance, you can come, learn, and be on your feet going. This is going to be a live performance with multiple student performers and several professional singers. We're pulling out all the stops, and there's going to be a costume competition with a mystery prize. So keep that on your radar, put that on your calendar. Remember, this is not a dance that is just for students. It is for everyone. We want alumni, parents, children, the whole Mazer community. So make sure that you know that this is happening and that you have your dates, your calendar set, because all of the proceeds are going directly to our auditorium. So please show up. Make sure that you help us make this auditorium amazing. Thank you.
Goodbye, Mazer, and see you next week on the Pride.